it's Gina Imperio of DMCI In-House Sales, and today I'll be showing you the model unit for 2-bedroom of Fortis Residences with a total gross area of 91.5 square meters. For Fortis Residences, all doors comes with a digital lock set. Now showing your dining area. Very spacious because this is 91.5 square meters. Beside your dining area is your kitchen area and the utility room with the toilet and bath. This is your living area. In your living area, it comes with the access to the balcony. Now let's go to your bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2 or the secondary bedroom. This is the hallway going to the primary room or the master's bedroom. This is the toilet and bath. Very spacious, right? Now let's go to the primary room. The primary room comes with a day bed. Let's go to your walk-in closet. This is your space for your walk-in closet. And this is your toilet and bath. Very spacious. If you're interested to acquire to any DMCI Homes properties, you may reach me through my contact details posted in the description below. Thank you for watching.